take 4. Okay, so this is our smoke waterfall. And the first try we didn't go so smooth. Second try, way better. And second try we only had 2. First try we had 1. And now we have 4. So I'm gonna hope to like quadruple something the amount of smoke, so we can maybe get like a whole bunch in this. Okay, so I'm gonna light this. Take this one first. Oh,
stay in the picture.
Oh, sorry. That's really cool.
That is really cool, Zane.
Yeah.
That is probably the coolest one yet.
Take this one first.
You just tell me when, I'll help you out.
Take this one, like now.
Are you ready? What?
Yeah. And then take the other one.
Tell me when to take them both.
Oh, take them both. I'm gonna pour this. Okay, let's go. We're gonna full on pour this. Oh! Oh! That was epic.
That was epic.
Yeah, but now we have to clean up a mess.